Figure 2 shows the plan view of a garden. The shape of the garden ABCDEA consists of a triangle ABE. So we have the triangle ABE and a right angle triangle BCD joined to a sector BDE of a circle with radius is given as 6 centimeter and the center is given as B. The point ABC lie on a straight line with AB as 10.8 meter. Angle BCD is pi by 2, basically 90 degrees. And angle EBD is equals to 1.3 radians. And AE is given 12.2 meter. Find the area of the sector. So it's in radians. So we know area of a sector. Area of a sector is half radius square r square theta. So here half into, if this sector, if we analyze this, we can see that the radius is given as 6. So r square, 6 square will give us 36 and theta is 1.3 radians. So into 1.3. Make sure that you are using your calculator in radians mode. So change from degree to radians when you solve this question. So 36 into 1.3 divided by 2 will give us 23.4. So 23.4 is given in meters, so area will be meter square. This is the answer for the first part. It's a 2-mark question. Now the second part is find the size of the angle ABE. So this is part A and we have part B starting from here. Find the size of the angle ABE. ABE. So this angle is what we need to find out. So to find out this angle, we can use cos rule. So let's take this as A, let's take this as B, and the opposite angle will be C. So let's take this angle as theta for the time being. So cos theta is equal to, A square plus B square minus C square divided by 2AB. So here A is 10.8. So 10.8 square plus B is 6. Sorry, B is, 6. So 6 square minus C is 12.2. So 12.2 square divided by 2 into A is 10.8 and B is 6. So cos theta on the left hand side. Let's put the right hand side in calculator. You will get 10.8 square plus 6 square minus 12.2 square divided by 2 into 10.8 into 6. You will get this as 0.0293. 0.0293. But this is cos theta. We don't want cos theta. We need theta. So cos inverse of 0.0293. So cos inverse, I'll just put cos inverse of the answer and I'll get 1.54. It's given, we need to round this to 2 decimal places. So 1.55541 is my answer. So I'll take it as 1.54 radians. 1.54 radians. So we got this as 1.54 radians. Now find the area of the garden giving your answer in meter square. So this is the last part, C part. So find the area of the garden. So already we have the area of the sector as 23.4 meter square. Let's find out the area of this triangle. Area of triangle ABE. ABE. We have A, B, and the angle connecting them is also, we know that. So let's use the trigonometry area of triangle formula. So that is half of A into B into B into sine theta. So we have A, we have B, and we have theta. So just basically substitute the values. A is 10.8 into B is 6 into sine theta is 1.54. So 1.54. So, okay, let's put this in calculator. 10.8 into 6 into sine 1.54. The whole thing divided by 2 will give us 32.38. I'll just take it as, since it's given round to three significant figures, I'll just take it as 32.4 meters square. So we got this area as 32.4 meters square. Now we need to find out the area of this triangle, that is area of triangle BCD. BCD. Now in this, again, in order to find out the area of this right angle triangle, we don't know the base, we don't know the height as well. Only thing is the hypotenuse is given here. What we can do is we can find out this angle. We know it's a straight line angle. Straight line means it's 180 degrees. In radians, that is equal to pi. So in your calculator, you put pi minus, from pi, you need to subtract 1.3 and 1.54. Pi minus 1.3 minus 1.54, because pi corresponds to 180 degree. This is a straight line, so the angle should be 180 degrees, which is equal to pi. Pi minus 1.3 minus 1.54 will give us 0.3016 approximately. 0.3016 is the angle here. Now, if I have the base, if I have this base, or we say the adjacent side of this angle, adjacent, then I can use half AB sine theta. I'm going to find out this adjacent side. So considering this angle, adjacent is what I need to find out. Hypotenuse is what we have. Adjacent and hypotenuse, that is cos. So cos 0.3016 is equals to adjacent over hypotenuse is 6. Cross multiply this to get the value for A. So that is 6 multiplied by cos 0.3016, which will give me 5.73. 5.73 is my adjacent. So I'll just erase A and I'll write here 5.73. Now to find out the area of this triangle, I have A, B, theta. Use trigonometric formula. Half of A is 5.73 into B is 6 into sine 0.3016. So 5.73 times 6 times sine 0.3016. You divide that by 2, you'll get it as 5.11 approximately. 5.11 meters square. So we got this as 5.11 meters square. Therefore, the total area will be, total area, you add them up. So 32.4 plus 23.4 plus 5.11. So 5.11 plus the 23.4 plus 32.4 will give us the answer as 60.91, but round it to three significant figures. So we'll get the answer as 60.9 meters square will be the final answer. So I hope you have understood this. If you have any doubt, feel free to write it in the comment box. Thank you for watching.